Auntie, any money be a while, so my very and my many amra, yet you are not a best says. And also, then Makwa, Sabi Nipa Baku, baby, and Fanoko, and yet your pen and room now, woman to your and ordained men pray in the house with the idea. Daniel Vice President, of course, now President of the Regional House of Wakasa, Wakan was said. Sampan Tokwanina, Nana Santin and Amanaba.
So, that Kosuna, Vice President Atima Ako, one of the House of Chiswa, not or no Wakasa, not a day and Fata, and some Fata, and a walker, and Ama and some Kosu. So,
now one more walk on a crowd, wish I must say.
So, won't be on Wakasa.
So, me young Mempel, how
so,
Memcasa, me young, I'd want to do Aberdeen, you will try to me offer.
So,
now, dear woman will be unfurled, tell baby.
Also, about now, tell baby will be unfurled.
Now, so, I didn't cassette you. Ghana so near so na ebi ehye ne manual council friend fata
so o yes ne ma emfata obi em say anema o yen emfata na ebi she kutuba no we sense so
so we are president of Regional House of Chiefs
so
any question say
so when you be president Regional House of Chiefs ene kokusi
eti wa fa to me say
so
brekum we say brekum ya ma ne ma house so
to me enema emrabra ma pass up yen nya na o ye so the brekum uma pa ma house so that to me no for Ghana
ade men pass enema bi o time
so
na ya de fa be famra kwa mu akọ na akyere ne se woni sa to me
so sa ne be nyina enyefe ono ompre no ho e nyina famra pa so amehun amono ahun se ampa woni sa to me no ye wo ye nyina woni kwa so esa ne
fa maniem wiansa na akọ House of Chiefs nti woni akro nso amaniam customary law and usage